wishing you and me living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh, shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. You gotta tell them how you feel
Too early, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, baby, lady, you can show me things. You know what it is when you're up, is it? When you see, you don't see. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so only time. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. My roommates are doing too much.
No, we're not.
Hey y'all, so I'm editing some video right now. I have some videos coming out for you guys, and I'm just chilling with some friends, watching soccer game. Like, I never thought I would be sitting down watching some soccer game, but it's okay. Yeah, and this is the random days vlog, I think. But today, there's this thing going on campus. I'm gonna recall, I think. There's this block party or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the party. I don't know how it's gonna be like. I don't know if it's really a party, but we'll see. I was telling you about the job and how is it like. But basically, I just come over here. That's the food market behind me. I'm here. I'm like 5 minutes early, so I'm gonna talk to you guys for a little bit. I don't want to keep eating this because it's so good, y'all. I'm gonna just keep eating. But basically, I just help him whatever he need help with. He and his wife own this place. They sell fruits and they sell plants and stuff. So I just help them with whatever they need. Basically, that's all I do. Anything they tell me to do, that's what I do. I don't really be on register like that, but I restock stuff, help around, clean, yeah. So let me go so I don't be late. Let me go make that money. Cause your girl needs some more. All right, y'all. So I haven't rushed to eat my life like this before, but I really gotta go. It's 2:41, and I got things to do. I'm gonna talk to y'all more whenever I see you because this is a random days in the life vlog, so you're gonna get random things. I'm gonna see you when I see you. All right, y'all, so he didn't even need me today. I was rushing for no reason. He did not need me today. He needed me tomorrow, so tomorrow morning that's when I'm coming to work. But today we have a game today. You probably already saw that in this vlog, but I'm going back to campus and chill around till in the evening after the game, and a few friends gonna go play kickball around, so I'm gonna see you guys then, I guess. I'm gonna go home. My roommate's not here. My other friend not here, so I'm gonna leave. Hey y'all, so I'm so bored. My roommates are not here. Like I told you, previously they're still not back yet. And I'm hungry. I missed dinner. I don't know how, but I missed dinner. So I got this little thing. It's kind of like the thing that we tried, the dumplings. But this one I think is better. And plus I made, the sauce that I made is more like the African sauce. So let's go. It's hot. But, right back to make boba. I haven't had boba in 5 minutes, so I'm about to make that. I'm about to do this, brush my teeth, go to bed. Bye, y'all. Basically 50. Hey y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, I came to Dick's to get some soccer cleats because I lost my whole soccer cleats. We'll talk about that later, but I'm basically about to try it on and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my doctor's appointment and I got shot. Not like shot, but I got one vaccine. I got shot 3 times today and they draw blood. They poked me in my arm. So I'm hungry. I need to get me food. And I will probably see you guys whenever I see you on a random day again. So bye now.
Promise me, tell me it's alright. I'll be honest with you. I almost gave up. I can't explain. Fell from heaven like the shower.
Yeah, so we at the Jamaican cuisine, whatever thingy, and I'm trying to get some food because I'm hungry. And yo, I took my hair down, yo. I look different, very, very different. The guy in the back just staring at me like, what you looking at me for? I'm ready, you know? I want to be nice. Cut it. Just cut it right there. Say hey y'all. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
That's Kyla.
You already know
That's
me.
Angelina.
One and only.
That's Liz. That's Liz. What's your real name? That's Liz. Liz baby. That's what we're gonna call her. Liz baby. Angelina. And then Kyla baby.
Which, by the way, is 73.
Doing all that extra stuff, but okay. All right, y'all babies.
Yes, baby. Hi, the baby.
Excuse you. Don't talk to me because I'm blocking the haters. You know what I'm saying?
No.
But anyways, y'all, we're going to Walmart.
Give me money. Give me money.
This
Hi, securities.
Yo. What Joe tried to do? We broke, guys.
We can't get it.
I want to get it so bad though, cause this is the right one too. But it's okay. We get it another time.
That's another video we're gonna
Let's
do.
go in a shame. I'm gonna just go ahead in this random days in a life vlog right here because I feel like I have too many clips and I'm gonna edit it. I was about to edit it and I'm like, this might be a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna end it right here. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be on the screen, both my personal and my business page, which is my nails and hair or whatever. And I did somebody here yesterday. I'm gonna insert a video. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw that already. Make sure to like, comment, give me some college video ideas, y'all. I'm running out of ideas, so go ahead, give me some ideas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you guys later. Ooh, this window, it always come true, you know, it always do, because the lightning is just like purr. I'm gonna see. Ciao. Bro, my room is making me blush. Stop.
You like my voice?
And Child, I'm gonna end this video right here, bro. See ya in my next video.